Hey guys, Rookie Luck here. Hope everyone's having a great day. And today we have this Sargent mortise cylinder pinned up by my buddy I.C.P locks. And once again, I can't thank you enough for all these locks you sent me, man. That really means a lot to me. So yeah, I really like Sargents, and just from this one Sargent, the only one in my collection, I've learned quite a deal from this lock. The first few times that I tried to pick it, I had an extremely hard time deciphering the feedback, and obviously the more times I got into it, the more I learned about it, and I think now we can get into it in a reasonable amount of time, which I'll try to do here for you guys, and we'll take a look at what's inside. Try this 50 thousandths pry bar that I made, and it actually slips out of there, so I'm gonna actually use this music wire style tension wrench that I made with my I guess it's a medium hook in my brass handle, and let's see what we can do here. I think we got a click out of 5. Nothing out of 1 yet. Two feels like it's binding, but not quite sure if we got it. Slipping off the wording there. Five, nothing on 4, nothing on 3. Might have overset 2. I'm going to try to reset this. So, nothing on 6. I think we got something out of 5. Maybe something out of 4. Oh, there we got 2 for sure. Try to get under 3. Oh, there, that put us into a false set. That's something I can work with here. So we'll just go back to the start. Definite counter rotation on 1. I'll just check everything else in case. I think 1's the one calling out for us. Let's see if we can pick it without dropping everything. And I sound, oh, we got it open. That's it's kind of unusual. I haven't got it that fast before. Honestly, I didn't think that I picked 6. Actually, you know what? Let's try that again since we're only at 4 minutes. Probably totally wrecked this video, but and you know what? I'm gonna try a different pick. My same basic hook, but in a different handle. Hope I don't sabotage this video by doing this. I probably jinxed myself. Reset. Hear my kitty meowing for attention. Yeah, I really like Sargents. I think they're, for like a normal pin tumbler, I think they have very good tolerances. I love the high maximum adjacent cut specifications. So you'll get keys with really nice bitting on them, and I like that I.C.P makes them, along with a lot of other locks, but let me see here. Yeah, I probably screwed up this video by deciding to repick it, but at least we have our false set. Trying to find that counter rotation. And I think we almost got it. Oh, there we are, counter rotation on one. Keeps sounding like we dropped stuff, but apparently we didn't. We got an open again. Probably should have kept with the first picking, but I think this lock deserves the attention. Like I said, these Sargents are really nice locks. Oh. Let's see here. What do we need? Put these tools aside. Oh, sorry about that. Put that there. Put that aside. Oh. Oh, we do have a key too. Where is it? Right here. I did take a look at this once, but I remummified it. I'd like to try and do that. It makes me forget what the key looks like, so I can you know what I mean, kind of go into it as if I never knew. Anyway, pretty nice bitting. Like I said, these Sargents have a pretty high maximum adjacent cut specs, so you'll usually find that they have pretty good bitting. Now, let's try and get into this. We're at 8.5 minutes. Try and use my screwdriver here. Oh, that's that's a fail. That's dead. Oh. I 180'd it. No problem. I'll be right with you, buddy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear my cat meowing or not. He's desperate for attention. Anyway. Let's see what we can do here. Salvage this. This should work, I think. Yeah. 6 pins. Don't expect these to be anything but standards. So, where's my tweezers? That goes there. Nothing done to the core. I'm not sure if I mentioned to you guys, I really like a challenge lock that that has nothing but commercial pins. I like it when someone can make a really good challenge lock with, you know what I mean, just off-the-shelf commercial pins. I think that's pretty cool. Another thing I like about these Sargents is the pin balancing. They have way better specs for pin balancing. I'll show you guys on the pinning chart sometime. Oh, what's going on there? And last one, a T-pin. I kind of figured the last one was a T-pin, as we're in a fall set, and when we picked it, it didn't give us counter rotation. So that's what we got, guys. I'll give you guys a close-up. All the springs are the same. I'm not going to haul them out of there. Get a refocus here. Get a pointer. So on the bottom we had all standards, and on the top we had spool, standard, standard, spool, standard, T-pin. And for just, I mean, I don't claim to be the greatest picker, but for just commercial pins, this lock is quite a tough one. Well, it was for me anyway. First few times I picked on it. Really awesome lock. I think I'm going to sign off with that, guys. I think next video we'll probably be doing the American 1305 series. And yeah, have a great day, guys. And like always, don't give lock pickers a bad name. Never pick anything that you don't own or have the permission to pick. Alright, take care, guys. Have a good one.